Hey, this is Steph from Buzzy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our new yoga app template and also show you specifically how to set up a video player that you can implement in your own Buzzy app as well. So let's get started. By the way, you can recreate this example in your own time. Simply go to our Figma community page and get a copy of the yoga app template. So let's get started with signing up. Just going to put a name and an email address. Just note that in the context of this template, the login flow and registration flow have not been implemented, but it's really easy to do so. And if you look at the template file, there is a little note over here with a link to our login demo. So feel free to check that out. It has all the steps that you need to set up your login and registration flow. So back into our yoga app, we're just going to click continue for now. And here we are. So we have a list of yoga classes. I've already populated this app for this video, but you can also do so in your Buzzy workspace. You can filter the list by class level, so see only the beginner classes, or you can only show the advanced classes. You can also use the search bar to search for a particular class, such as the sunrise yoga flow class, and only that one will appear. Then if you click on the class, you can see a bit more information about the class, and then start the class will open your video player. This is just a sample video that I use, but you can use any video that's hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom, which are the trusted domains by default. Cool, so now I'll show you in Figma how we can implement that. Okay, back in Figma, let's set up the video player. So at the top of the file, you see a set of instructions that you have to follow to do that. First step is always to run the plugin and publish the app as a new application. So just follow the steps until you are able to publish and convert to a new Buzzy app, and your Buzzy Figma plugin will look like something like this from the Publish tab. Then we can move on to step 2. For that, go to the data model tab. You'll see all the data tables. We are looking for the classes table, which is the first one over here. There's a set of fields. Find the one that's called video. That's the code widget one. That's the one we're interested in. Then click advanced settings. And this is the setup that you want to follow. It's also over here. So the mode is a trusted iframe. Dimensions, I chose 16:9 for this example. The trusted URL source will be a formula, and this is the formula that you want to input in that field. So formula is also here, just copy and paste that into here. Now this is referring to the video URL field, which is simply another field that's plain text field in the classes table, and this is the one that's going to contain your video idea. So I'll show you what it looks like in the Buzzy workspace. So we are in the workspace now, which is the backend of your application, where you can see and manage all the data in your app. And in the classes table, if I open a specific class, scroll down a little bit, you can see here's your video player that we just set up, and here's the video URL field, and this is where your video ID goes. So the video ID, if I show you an example video on YouTube, this is the part of the URL that's your video ID. So just copy that from your URL of choice and then paste it into the video URL field, and this will play your video in the player. So here we go. This is how you can set up a video player for your Buzzy app. Feel free to take that feature and implement it in your own Buzzy app as well, and have fun with this template. Thanks for watching.